Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 9D Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM into this device. So, with that being said, to get started you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. And if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then take out the tray, which will be located at the top left side of the device. So right over here where the pin is holding, you want to push it in. As you can see, it will pop out enough for you to just yank it out. And here you can then place either one or two SIM cards, depending on how many you want to use. I'm going to be using only one. So place it like so, and then insert it into the device. Now you want to be careful about it. There is nothing really holding those cards in place, just to kind of show you. As you can see, it will just simply fall out. So be careful about it. If the tray isn't going in smoothly, or well, not easily, then don't try to force it in. Just take it out and make sure that the card didn't get like pop out of the tray itself. Now once you insert your card, it should start working right away. So let's see, we have no service. Emergency calls only. Won't give me anything. So we do have it. As you can see, it is detecting it. I think the card just might be dead at this point. So that's probably one of the things that might be the case why it's not actually connecting. But if in your case it's still, or for you, not connecting as well, then all you would need to do is just hold your, I think, power button. Yep. And oh my god, Google. For some reason I have Google and Power Menu. Amazing. So here, once you have the boot menu right here, you can select restart. The device will reboot, and once it boots up again, it will then supposedly work with your card. Anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.